Hey everyone! Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the tiny dots floating around? Those aren't just stars. Many of them are satellites, silently orbiting our planet. Today, let's talk about the international satellites and their global impact. First off, what are satellites? Essentially, they're human-made objects placed in orbit around Earth. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. From weather forecasting to GPS navigation, satellites play a crucial role in our daily lives. Let's start with weather satellites. These are the unsung heroes that help meteorologists predict weather patterns and track storms. By capturing images of cloud formations and atmospheric conditions, they provide essential data that can save lives. Imagine living without knowing when a hurricane is about to hit. Next up, communication satellites. Ever made an international phone call or watched a live broadcast from another country? Thank communication satellites for that. They relay television, telephone and internet signals across vast distances, essentially shrinking our world and connecting us all. Now let's talk about GPS. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, relies on a network of satellites to provide accurate location data. Whether you're finding your way in a new city or tracking a lost phone, GPS satellites are your best friends. Fun fact, the system was initially developed by the US Department of Defense, but today it's used by civilians worldwide. Satellites also play a vital role in scientific research. Earth observation satellites monitor environmental changes like deforestation, glacier melting, and ocean pollution. This data helps scientists understand climate change and develop strategies to combat it. It's like having a guardian angel for our planet. And let's not forget space exploration. Satellites like the Hubble Space Telescope have given us breathtaking images of distant galaxies, stars and planets. They expand our knowledge of the universe and inspire future generations of space enthusiasts. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Space debris, or space junk, is becoming a growing concern. With thousands of satellites in orbit, collisions can create dangerous debris that threatens other satellites and even manned space missions. It's a problem we need to address to ensure the safety of future space endeavors. International cooperation in satellite technology is crucial. Organizations like NASA, ESA, and ISRO work together on global initiatives like monitoring climate change and disaster management. By pooling resources and expertise, we can achieve more than any single nation could on its own. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible technology orbiting above us. Satellites have transformed our world in countless ways, making our lives safer, more connected, and more informed. That's the global impact of satellites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing content. Catch you next time.